So I'm going to show you how to set any song as your ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. And you can use these instructions on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that song or that MP3 file that you want to use as a ringtone is saved as a file on your phone. Okay, so it should be somewhere in the Files app. So if you open up the Files app, or rather My Files, it should be saved somewhere. So you can see mine is inside the Downloads folder. It's called Diamond. And so if I want to use this particular song as a ringtone, all I have to do is long press on it and then select Copy. Now, once it's copied, I need to go and paste it in the ringtones folder in the internal storage. So you want to go to internal storage, and inside internal storage, you're looking for the ringtones folder. So just scroll and find ringtones, tap on it, and then you can select copy here. And once that song is copied to the ringtones folder, you can go into settings. Under settings, go to sounds and vibration. And under that, if you tap on ringtone, in the collection of ringtones, if you scroll to the top, you will now be able to see your song. Okay, so here it is under custom, and all of them are going to be under custom as long as you've copied them to the ringtones folder, and then you can select them and use them as ringtone. Thanks for watching and good luck.